So good afternoon.
Concerns from the governor after the Trump administration's big change to the way coronavirus hospital data is reported.
A lot of us are very concerned about this and worried.
The White House ordering hospitals to bypass the CDC and send COVID-19 data to a private firm. Governor Baker worried that could leave states in the dark about where the virus is spreading.
The CDC has been the sort of source of truth, for lack of a better word, around what's going on with regard to a lot of these issues for a long time. And I think many of us believe that that is, in fact, where that data should be gathered.
As dozens of other states see spikes, Governor Baker again asking people to be vigilant. His mask order, though temporary, is still in effect.
That order is going to remain in place until we don't have an emergency.
As some businesses continue opening, others stepping back a bit. Sam Adams closed its Faneuil Hall tap room, citing an influx of out-of-state visitors from COVID-19 hotspots. The state has a quarantine advisory, and the governor says he's leaving locals to enforce additional rules.
If we can find a better way to do this than the way we've done it before, we'll move on that. But there's the rhetoric associated with this, and then there's what people actually are doing. And in many cases, they're different.
And the governor also announcing another $20 million in CARES Act funding to go toward housing and helping vulnerable families. We're live here on Beacon Hill. Sharman Saketi, WCVB News Center 5.